Hi all, good morning. Today we are going to discuss on descriptive list. Descriptive list is a term in HTML which is used for uh, to group the terms and their description. Like elements we can use or like DL tag, DT tag and DG tag. DL tag is like definition list, DT tag is definition term and DD is a definition description. So here is the program sample actually which I have used. I have created a DL list first. I have used a DL tag and then I have used a DT definition term. I have given a name and DD definition description. I have given like my name. Similar way I have used course and date of birth as well. We can see the output of this. This is the output we can see here. Then coming to our next program, we will see on call span and row span. Uh, this is the program for call span and row span which have used uh, actually. Firstly, we know about on what is a call span and row span. A call span it makes a cell stretch horizontally across the multiple columns. Okay. A row span it makes a cell stretch vertically across the multiple rows. This is the sample program. I have used a call span for a table. Call span is equals to 2. 2 space of call span it will stretch actually. And then I have used a table like age and have given details, names and all. Names only for age. Each column it will do the call span. Remaining things will be same in the list format I have given. Then coming to row span, here I have mentioned row span is equals to 2 for a phone. Okay. Uh, then row span only it will do the phone number will be the row span. It will do the row span of this column and then remaining data will be similar in the table. We will see the output over here. We can see the output name column and age column over here. Two columns over there. Uh, Here, two names, Ashwini and Shweta are like call span. They have merged into call span. Age are defined similarly, and phone number column as mentioned as row span. Okay, it is merged actually for phone number. Remaining data will be visible. Only for two columns of name it is merged and phone number only for one column. We have given only for one number, so it is merged for one row. Then coming to the next program, we will see here how to create a web page using the semantic elements. This is the program for the semantic elements which you used. We will let us know what are all semantic elements we can use in HTML elements and what are all the purpose of it. Here clearly like we can say there are most of the semantic elements we can use header, header, nav, nav tag, and main tag, section tag, article tag, aside tag, footer tag, figure tag, fig caption tag, time tag, mark tag, summary tag, details tag, address tag, and site tag, code tag. Okay. We will see what is the overall the purpose of the header tag. Header tag represents the introductory content or navigation links. Nav tag defines navigation links. Main tag represents the main content of a document. Section tag defines a section in a document. Article tag represents a self-contained piece of content. Aside tag contains content uh, tangentially related to the main content. Footer tag defines the footer for a section or a page. Figure tag groups media content like images with a caption. Fig caption provides a caption for the figure tag. Time tag represents a specific time or a date. Mark tag it highlights the text. Summary tag summary for details tag element. Details tag used for logging used for toggling details or expand or collapse. Address it contains the contact information for the author or owner. Title, uh, sorry, not a title, it a site. Site is a creative work or a like books or articles. Code tag displays a piece of computer code. This is a sample tag which I have mentioned here. I have created a about me. I have created a list of like bio, hobbies, and skills contact skills and contact list of a nav tag. I have used a nav tag over here in a header. In a header tag, I have used a nav tag. Okay. Then coming to the main tag, here I have used a article. Article ID is equal to bio. I have given a simply H2 tag like biography and paragraph. Just mentioned a simple line for paragraph tag and have given a time tag. I have used a time tag here. uh, for time tag we have to mention a date time is equals uh, to date format you have to mention and today's calendar just have mentioned like that. I have closed the article tag. Then coming to the next article, I have used a hobbies over here. Here I have used a list actually. These are the hobbies which I have used in article. Then coming to aside tag, here I have used aside id is equals to skills. Then I have mentioned skills over here in a list format. Coming to the figure caption, I have we can mention in figure we can mention any image links or like anything. So that I have given a location of a image. And then fig caption I have used. Fig caption is like profile I have mentioned to give a name for it. Okay. Then coming to I have closed the figure. Then I have used the block quote tag. Just it will mention any lines we can mention. It will like a quote of a quote, any quote we can give. Then coming to a details tag, here I have mentioned a summary tag I have used in a details tag which is highlight like about my college. Then I have given simple paragraph over here. Then I again have mentioned figure tag to give a image actually. And later on I have given address tag to give a contact or a mail ID which can be sent a mail ID. Okay. Uh, then simply I have given a paragraph and I have closed the in footer tag I have given a address. Okay. I have closed the footer tag then. This is the full code which is using the semantic elements. We can see the output over here. We can see the about me, and here these are all the biography, hobbies, skills, content in a list. If we click the biography, just it shows the biography. It will link over here, and then hobbies. What are all the hobbies? Then skills, which have used the skills. Here just I given a profile image. Then coming to I have given a quote and the about my college. I have mentioned over here college logo. I have given an image and contact mail ID I have given. That's it. We can move to the next program. Coming to the next program, here like I have we are used like how to use a HTML forms, how to use a forms using HTML. Okay, in forms like we can create a form thing. We have to use these elements. Form tag we have to create, and here I have given a input label for first name and input type is equals to text first name is like first name. Then this is the text input I have used. Then email input. For email input, I have just given a label for is equals to email. This is the input type email I have given, and ID email name is equals to email placeholder is like enter your email required. Just a condition I can use over here. Similarly, password input I have given. Here also I have used input type. Then I have used number input. For number input also I have used input type. Then coming to the radio button. Radio button I have used gender and input type is equals to radio male or female ID I have used. For all the things it will reflect the radio button actually. Just male or female or other thing. Other. You can click on the radio button thing for selecting the purpose. Then I have used check boxes here, like I have used it for subscribe to newsletter. I have used a checkbox for this. Then coming to the drop down buttons, you can use the have for this. I have given a country. We can have represented the different countries over here. We can use a drop down. We can select any country of it. For selecting the country, we can use a drop down button, drop down tag. And coming to the next text area, this is like text area is like giving a message or like we can write any similar to the input thing, it will be there. Then coming to the file input, here like we can give a file input like upload file. Here also I have used input type to like file. I can upload a file. Then lastly, I can submit a button. Coming to the output, uh, you can see the first name, email ID. I can enter a first name over here, email ID. I can give password. I can generate anything. Age. I can give something. Date of birth. I can mention date of birth. I can give a checkbox. Gender, male or female. Subscribe to newsletter. Or there's a checkbox. Country USA. I can select any country. This is a message of text area. I have given a message. Upload a file in files and submit. then form will submit. We will discuss on further in next session. Thank you so much.